Hey, top of the day to you. Lee Mims Productions here on Queen of Trades channel. I want you to like, share, subscribe, and be involved in this channel. It's got a value that I think is up there. You know, we deal with family, extended and immediate. We talk about mukbangs on this. We talk about inspirational on this station or channel. We have live music, gospel, R&B, hip-hop vibes, nothing but positive vibes. We accept everyone. We love everyone. It's about that positivity through music when we do those lives. And I think you really like it and enjoy it. I want to take the time to thank everyone who has been positive and supportive throughout our tenure here on this platform. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hopefully you're through a lot of the holiday frustration, you know, the hustle and the bustle, but hopefully you also gain a little bit more time with your fellow man, loved ones, family, etc. We're heading towards the new year, and it's customary for most to go ahead and come up with a resolution. I, for one, don't do resolutions because most times you break them. My attitude is to just do better than what I did last year. Now, what does that mean? Whatever I need to do better at, I'm going to do better. Whether it's having more patience, whether it's taking more time off from the job so that I can enjoy life more. If it means I need to try to be a little bit more healthy, I need to do that. And in some cases, for those that are givers, the main thing is I intend to give to myself a little bit more than what I have been doing. And what does that mean? I don't care about tangibles. I don't look at those things that are intangible. A little bit more time, downtime for myself, a little bit more time to listening to more inspirational things, more motivational things. That's what I mean when I say give, or give. Yeah, give to myself, not get, you know what I mean. Step fill in the blank, or maybe the neighbor down the street, or maybe at the job you've been trying and the relationship is not going anywhere. It's spinning wheels, getting you more aggravated and agitated, and you're pouring more than you're receiving. That's a dead-end relationship. It's no different than a dead-end job. No upward movement, no more money gained for your family for the same or more work. That's what we call a dead-end job. Towards 2019, let's go ahead and not worry about the resolution, but let's come up with solutions. All right, I hope you enjoy the next portion of this segment. We're gonna have some instrumental music for you, and the list of music will comprise of my originals as well as I think will be most appropriate. We're gonna add in quite a few of gospel instrumentals done with my own flavor. If you have tuned into the lives, you already know that